Hi guys, and welcome to Jules Cooking. After my latest episode, a lot of you had some questions about whether or not it's true that I'm a vegan now. And it's partially true. Because right now I eat about 90-95% vegan and the other percent is all at work. So at work I try like little pieces of meat for seasoning or sauce for seasoning or ice cream. But at home I really eat full on vegan. Dinner, snacks, everything. So Jules Cooking is not going to be a full-on vegan channel because I'm still going to make like pastries, chocolate, how to cook a pigeon, things like that. But I'm also going to pay much more attention to the vegan side. So today we're going to make a Bumbu Bali paste, a vegan one. And in the next episode I'm going to show you how to make a chickpea burger that is seasoned with the Bumbu Bali paste. So let's begin.
Start by heating a baking pan on a medium heat. Now toast 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds. After that, clean 5 shallots and slice them in half rings.
Okay, so now that the shallot is cleaned and cut, we're also going to do the same to some garlic. And for that, I've got a little tip. First, give it a little squeeze, put it in a box, close it with a lid, and then shake really hard.
Separate the garlic cloves from the rest and cut them as well. Now also cut 2 Spanish peppers, 100 grams of ginger, 100 grams of galangal, and finally 4 pieces of turmeric.
Now that we've cut everything, combine it all in a mixer and blend it into a fine paste.
Then while spinning, add 10 tablespoons of olive oil. And don't forget to clean the edges in between.
Okay, I almost forgot, but also add 12 kamiri nuts. Mix it again until a smooth paste. So once it's a smooth paste, take it out of the mixer and put it back into the pan.
Now bake it on a medium heat for about 5 minutes while stirring. Then let it cool down completely. When it has cooled down completely, save it in a jar or a container and keep it in your fridge.
So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Click here if you want to see how I make the burger. Otherwise subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!